Welcome back to our channel, Address of Choice. Today we are diving into the dynamic landscape of real estate in Karnataka, one of the India's most innovative and rapidly growing states. From the bustling tech hubs of Bangalore to emerging cities such as Mysore and Mangalore, Karnataka is a powerhouse of growth and opportunity. Let's explore what makes Karnataka a real estate hotspot. Karnataka is at the forefront of India's growth story, contributing 8.4% to national GDP. Known for its vibrant economy and innovation, the state boasts the highest per capita GSDP in the country. The state's capital, Bangalore, is a global tech hub, accounting for a staggering 40% of India's IT exports. With a thriving ecosystem of 5,500 IT companies, including 750 MNCs, it's no wonder Bangalore is often called Silicon Valley of India. Bangalore's real estate market is booming and employee-focused workplace designs. The demand for office spaces, especially in tech sector, is surging, with the city grabbing over 40% of space take-up among the top 9 Indian cities. But it's not just about the tech. Karnataka's industrial and logistic is also on the rise, powered by AI, automation, and strategic land investments. The state's strong infrastructure is attracting global companies, further boosting the demand of industrial spaces. The retail sector in Karnataka is evolving too, with a focus on enhancing consumer experiences through technology and personalized services. For high-end malls to local shopping centers, there is something for everyone. And let's not forget the real estate market. With the emphasis on smart homes and sustainable low-density projects, Karnataka offers a variety of different housing options catering to different needs and preferences. Beyond Bangalore, cities like Mysore, Mangalore, and Hubli are emerging as key growth drivers. The cities are attracting investment in sectors like aerospace, IT, textiles, and food processing, thanks to their robust infrastructure and strategic initiatives. Karnataka's future growth is built on 5 strategic pillars: manufacturing, infrastructure, sustainability, innovation, and technology. The state aims to become a $1 trillion economy by 2032 by leveraging its strength and adopting growth strategies. Key infrastructure initiatives are reshaping the state's landscape, from expanding metro lines in Bangalore to enhancing airport access and regional connectivity. These projects are set to spur commercial and residential development. Karnataka's real estate market is not just about growth, it's about sustainable and inclusive development. With balanced regional growth and a focus on innovation and infrastructure, the state is poised to lead India's real estate sector into the future. That was all for today's video. If you liked today's video, then hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more such informative content for you. I'll see you next time. Until then, bye-bye.